M305 stands 2758 West Clear signal to Juniper.
Hello and welcome back to Kev's Railfanning. This warm and breezy Thursday afternoon, July 24th, 2025, has brought us out to Juniper, New Brunswick, across the tracks at mile 122.60, Napadogan Sub, from where CN's Juniper Station once stood. CN M305 at 1542 hours landing time called the clear signal for the approach to Juniper. The friendly crew on the 9300 and 92-foot 305 has CN 2758 and exCREX leash unit 2838 and mid-DPU 3358. The prize for today's 305, tucked in behind the head-end units, is MNR 9801. 9801 was one of the original units we painted in the current NBSR green paint scheme and was lettered for the MNR, Maine Northern Railway. The unit is believed to be headed west to Progress Rail in Kentucky to possibly be rebuilt. 305 only got the light at the west end of Juniper about 12 minutes ago. This was because a maintenance away crew needed to clear. CN has ONTrack railcar service working on cleaning up old lengths of rail west to Juniper, and they would pull down to us and then tie down on the back track for the night. We will stop time for a minute to watch as the Trackmobile and 3 flatcars maneuver into the back track. The excavator on the middle flat car has a grapple on the end of the arm to handle the rail. While the maintenance away crew only cleared the main a short while ago, they did not cause any further delays to the already late running 305.
05 10 275 8 West clear signal at Juniper.
And with the front end crew now calling a clear signal at Juniper East, here is CN M305, maintenance away in NBSR in Juniper. Enjoy.
CN detector, Napadogan 120. No alarms. Temperature 26C. Total axle 564. Speed 3. Napadogan.
John 1. That's what it's here for.
Good eyeball inspection here, leaving on the south side, leaving Juniper over.
Yeah, eyeball, south side inspection, Juniper, thanks. 5 out, out of position.
Thanks, you have a good trip, John M.
Before we go, we should point out that the 4 empty center beams on the head end are for LaBelle's Lumber Track in Wapski, New Brunswick. 305 had recently been reassigned the task of spotting and picking up these cars, as needed, after job L576 from Edmundston was cancelled. While 305 had done this job in the past, it is sad to see the local job being cancelled.
05 10 275 8 westbound mile 125 with Napadogan Sub administration.
We hope you enjoyed this great video of CN M305, maintenance away in NBSR in Juniper. Thank you for watching, and until we meet for our next adventure with Kev's Railfanning, we hope everyone is having an enjoyable day.